Welcome to Toon Ties. I'm your host, Unicorn, and today we're making fruit salad. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our content. These are the ingredients: chili flakes, salt, sugar, pears, cucumbers, mango, strawberries, banana, apples, and a citric juice of your choice. I'm gonna add all the ingredients in. I love apples because it's juicy and good. Bananas I don't really like. Strawberries I love them with sugar. And I really love mangoes, except we don't have lots. My brother hates apples. I love pears, but I don't like them really much. Put a little bit of chili flakes and salt, but put a whole spoon of sugar. I don't really like spicy stuff that much. I really love like very salty stuff. And I love sugar. I'm gonna mix it really good. If you don't like spicy stuff, you don't need to put like chili flakes with it. And I'm gonna mix it really good so it comes out really nice. And if you want, you could put more bananas or more of other fruits. Taste test my delicious fruit salad. It's turning very delicious and spicy. That's what I love. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Unicorns.